Hi traders. So in today's video, as you see, I am a really luxurious man, and as my grandmother said, I have to be more stylish and more prepared for these videos, and she was absolutely right. So in today's video I am at a really luxurious neighborhood, and you can enjoy this video with an ocean view and a view with many houses. That is luxurious, my friends. So in today's video, I was just thinking about how I started this business and how I started coding and programming, and I realized that I want to share some knowledge with you about this topic as well, and not just trading. So in today's video I will talk about how you can start just coding and code forex robots, because there aren't many good courses and learning classes on this, and this is not a side of programming where you can just go to a school and learn how to code forex robots or trading robots or trading algorithms. Of course, if you are a pro coder, you can do this, but if you're a beginner and you just want to learn how to code forex EAs, there are no courses and no good information how to do it. So in today's video I will help you if you are just a forex trader who wants to just explore the world of coding and just automate your own EAs, because if you always want to hire programmers to code your ideas, your strategies, it is just really fucking hard, and you will spend a ton of money. So instead I recommend for you to learn a bit of coding. So first, it will be the first of this video series, and in today's video I will talk about MQL5, because this is the site where once upon a time I started to learn forex robot coding. And MQL5 is actually a website where you can find multiple just products and opportunities, and of course it has its advantages and disadvantages, and I will talk about them both. But first I want to talk about the advantages, because on this site, and these are I think the most important features, you can learn coding, you can buy forex robots, you can buy signals, and you can also sell signals and forex robots as well if you become a pro trader and you have something really valuable that you want to publish. And also in the site you access so many people that that are share the same interests, and there are really good forums where you can ask for knowledge and ask pros how to code this or that, or just it is a really good community. And actually, in my opinion, the best feature of this website is the code base, because as I said, there aren't many good courses and learning lessons about this about forex robot coding, and therefore you have to learn by doing it. So what I did once upon a time, that I just looked at the code base and I downloaded even hundreds or thousands of robots that contain the codes as well, the source codes, and I just tried to understand the language, and of course I did coding before, so I had a bit of an advantage, but you can do it as a beginner as well. It will take a bit longer, but you can absolutely do it, because there are so many great source codes on this code base, and you can find really simple ones and really advanced ones as well, like neural networks, and like simple ones like moving average crossover, and you can learn and build your knowledge. So yeah, MQL5 is a great website, and you know, I can recommend for you to use it. And of course, there are disadvantages as well, and that is basically just for beginners. And if you just jump into this business and you look at it and you just see the shiny EAs on MQL5, you know, more than 99% of them will fail on live account, and even if you are backtesting it for days or weeks, they will fail because I don't know how I can say it, but the authors of these EAs are just scammers, and they don't want you to actually succeed there. They just want the money from you. And of course, this is in every business, and you have to be careful. But if you are careful and cautious enough, you can find really good EAs there that you can buy as well. But do real tick data backtesting and do you know, just real analysis and rent the EAs before you buy them. That is really important. So I think this was a short but meaningful video, and you know, I am handsome as always, and ciao, good learning.